Welcome! If you've ever wanted to clean up your Instagram history and remove old comments you've made on posts, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to delete your comments on old Instagram posts by date, right from your PC, using the newest update. Let's get started. First, open Instagram in your browser and log into your account. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Click on the menu icon to open up more options. Next, look for the section labeled Your Activity and click on it. This is where Instagram keeps a record of everything you've done on your account, including your comments, likes, and more. Now, under the Interactions section, you'll see an option for comments. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll find a list of all the comments you've made across Instagram. To narrow down your search, look for the Sort and Filter button at the top. Click on it, and you'll be able to choose a specific date or date range. This is perfect if you want to find and delete comments from a certain time period, whether it's last week, last year, or any date you choose. After you've picked your date, click Apply. The comments list will now show only the comments from that time frame. Next, click on Select. You'll see checkboxes appear next to each comment. Now, simply select all the comments you want to delete. Once you've made your choices, look for the Delete button, usually at the bottom of the screen, and click on it. Instagram will ask you to confirm your decision. Go ahead and confirm, and just like that, your selected comments will be permanently deleted. That's it. With these steps, you can easily manage and remove your old comments by date, keeping your Instagram profile tidy and up to date. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tips for managing your digital presence. Thanks for watching.